Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable Easy Touch on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now just scroll down and tap on shortcuts and accessibility. Just scroll down and tap on Easy Touch. And from here, just make sure you enable Easy Touch. Now, as you can see, a small bar has appeared on the right side of our smartphone. If you tap on it, it will show a few shortcuts for a few functions on your smartphone. For example, from here you can enable the torch of your smartphone, just like that. You can start screen recording from here, just like that. And there are many other functions in here. You can drag the Easy Touch ball across the screen, just like that. And you can place it wherever you like, just like that. And this is how you can enable Easy Touch on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.